Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will compare BMW 3 Series vs Toyota Camry, which is better. Now focus on core differences: handling, comfort, technology, and ownership costs so you can decide. I will walk through driving dynamics, interior quality, safety features, and fuel efficiency in clear terms. Listen for practical trade-offs, typical maintenance expectations, and what each car rewards in everyday use. Stay tuned for a simple bottom-line recommendation. When it comes to performance, think of the BMW as more driver-focused and the Toyota as more comfort-oriented for daily driving. Expect the BMW to reward spirited cornering and precise steering, while the Toyota soaks up bumps and favors relaxed cruising. Fuel economy and engine refinement differ depending on trims and choices, so weigh acceleration needs against long-term efficiency and maintenance costs before choosing the right balance for you. If you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like. It really helps the channel grow and keeps more reviews coming. Quick recommendation: I love these leak-proof meal prep containers that make lunches easier and cleaner after long drives, and they pair nicely with commuting life. Check the video description for the product link and extra deals so you can grab a set. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Inside, the BMW tends to feel more premium with sport seats and upscale finishes, while the Toyota focuses on space, practicality, and easy-to-use tech. Think about monthly ownership costs, including insurance, maintenance, and fuel when comparing overall value. Practical buyers will appreciate Toyota reliability and lower service bills, whereas enthusiasts may prefer the BMW's tactile controls and cabin atmosphere. Consider who will drive it most and what daily chores it must handle.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.